Imagine a world where you can grow your wealth while healing the planet. It's not science fiction, it's sustainable investing. Welcome, everyone, to today's eye-opening journey into the world of sustainable investing, where profit meets purpose. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets of how you can make money while making a significant positive impact on the environment and society. 1. Understanding sustainable investing. Let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly is sustainable investing, and why does it matter? Sustainable investing, also known as socially responsible investing or SRI, is an approach that integrates environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors into the investment decision-making process. ESG factors consider environmental sustainability, social responsibility, and corporate governance. Investors use these criteria to evaluate the impact of their investments beyond just financial returns. Now let's break down the different aspects of sustainable investing. Environmental sustainability. First, we have environmental sustainability. This includes investing in companies that reduce their carbon footprint, promote renewable energy, and protect natural resources. Social responsibility. Next, social responsibility involves supporting companies that prioritize fair labor practices, diversity and inclusion, and community engagement. Corporate governance. Lastly, corporate governance looks at the internal structure and ethics of companies. It includes factors like transparency, ethical leadership, and avoiding conflicts of interest. 2. The benefits of sustainable investing. So why should you consider sustainable investing? Well, there are several compelling reasons, and I'm about to break them down for you. Financial returns. First and foremost, sustainable investments can provide competitive financial returns. Contrary to the misconception that sustainability means sacrificing profits, many sustainable companies outperform their non-sustainable counterparts. Risk mitigation. Sustainable investing can also help mitigate risks. Companies with strong ESG practices are often better equipped to handle environmental and social challenges, reducing the risk of financial setbacks. Positive impact. And of course, there's the positive impact you can have on the world. By investing in sustainable companies, you're contributing to a better future for our planet and society. 3. Getting started with sustainable investing. Now that you understand the what and why of sustainable investing, let's talk about how to get started. Assessing your values. Begin by assessing your values. What causes and issues are most important to you? This will help you align your investments with your personal goals. Research and due diligence. Research is key. Dive into the companies and funds that align with your values. Look at their ESG ratings, past performance, and track record. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk and increase your chances of success. 4. Sustainable investing strategies. Now that you're ready to invest sustainably, let's explore some strategies to consider. Impact investing. Impact investing focuses on companies or projects that generate measurable positive social or environmental impact alongside financial returns. ESG integration. ESG integration involves analyzing a company's ESG factors and integrating this analysis into investment decisions. Ethical screening. Ethical screening involves excluding investments in industries or companies that conflict with your values, such as fossil fuels or weapons manufacturing. 5. Building a sustainable portfolio. You're almost there. Now, let's talk about building a sustainable investment portfolio. Asset allocation. Decide on your asset allocation. How much will you invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other assets? Make sure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification. Diversify your investments across different industries and regions to reduce risk and enhance potential returns. Portfolio monitoring. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance and make adjustments as needed to stay aligned with your goals. 6. Conclusion and call to action. And there you have it, the complete guide to sustainable investing. I hope you're as excited as I am about the opportunities this approach offers. Recap. To recap, sustainable investing involves considering environmental, social, and governance factors in your investment decisions. It offers financial benefits, risk mitigation, and a chance to make a positive impact. Call to action. Now I encourage you to take action. Start researching sustainable investments, assess your values, and begin building a portfolio that aligns with your goals. But what truly sets sustainable investing apart is its potential to generate impressive returns. Don't just take my word for it, we'll explore case studies of investors who've not only grown their wealth but have done so exponentially by backing sustainable projects and companies. but you'll have to stay tuned for that. So, hit that like button, share this video with your friends and fellow investors, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and inspiration you need to embark on your own sustainable investing journey.